Hey, Jeremy and Kayla. My name is Lee Terbianic, and I spoke with Kayla on the phone earlier about your guys' website. I was doing a little research in your area, and I came across your site, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you guys 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on the video at the end. So let's jump right into it. The 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically anything that you see that is written on this homepage, and even your pictures and what they're saved as is considered content too. So you want to be saving all your pictures as keywords, which we'll get into shortly. But as you can see, you don't really have much content, which is a big no-no in Google's eyes. You have to realize that Google is only a crawling website and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information with those important keywords throughout your content, it won't know how to rank you according to and won't know really what you guys are about. So I did a quick search for concrete curbing Tampa, and I wanted to see who was in like place and second place. And as you can see, this Pacific and Tampa Concrete Curbing and Pacific Curbing Inc. are in first place. So I went to Pacific's site to see what kind of content they had. And as you can see, they do have some more content than you. Not a better website, but they do have a little bit more, so they are beating you in that aspect. But Google likes to see 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. So if we were to go out and get that for your homepage, we'd easily beat them in that aspect. Now let's go back to this Google search. So as you can see, concrete curbing Tampa. Now Google is usually broke down into 3 sections. Up here will be the ads. In this middle section is the GMB or Google My Business listing. And down here is the organic listing, which is where your website is located. So let's touch base on this GMB. I don't really touch base on the ads too much. They can get very costly if you don't run them effectively. And if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, there's no need to be running ads. So let's touch base here. Now, as you can see, cutting edge curbing is in first place, but you want to get into this top 3. So what dictates your ranking in this section is called a citation. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in like the Yellow Pages, Yek, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So I have a tool that I use and it's called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. I pay for it monthly, and this is going to show me how many citations that top guy has. So I put cutting edge curbing's information in, and as you can see, he only has 15 citations. That's not a lot. But the best part about this tool is we can go into his citations and see where he's getting them. So all these red ones are submittable. So we can grab all these for your business, and this DA shows that they're not created equal. Some are stronger than others. So you want to get more relevant, strong, authority websites giving you guys citations. As you can see, Facebook's a well-known, trusted website. It's got a DA, which is domain authority of 96. Now, ahidata.com only has a 39. I've never heard of it. That's why it has a low score. But I suggest going to get 80 to 100 for your guys' business, getting you guys up into this top 3, and you're really going to see a drastic change in your client and in your rankings coming in. But like I said, 80 to 100 for your guys' business, and plus that's going to get your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. Now, the third thing I want to talk about is this organic section. And what ranks you down here in this section is called a backlink. Now, a backlink is when one website links back to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen it before on a website. You'll see little blue writing and you click on it and it takes you to a completely different website, but it might be offering something of the same sort that the first website was offering. Well, that is that website giving a backlink to the other website, and Google loves backlinks. They consider them votes, because if one website is willing to send its traffic to another website, it must mean it's legit. So the more backlinks you have, the higher trust flow you'll have to your website, the higher you'll rank, along with other factors, but that is the key. Now I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and I put in your guys' website, bordermastersinc.com, and this is going to give me a basic overview of your site's stats and how you guys are doing. So this UR and DR are your very important numbers. This is the overall strength of your page, and this is the overall strength of your backlink profile. So as you can see, you have a 12 and a 1.9. That's not very strong at the moment, and that's because you only have 7 referring domains giving you only 12 backlinks. You're ranking for 24 keywords and you're getting about 85 traffic. So I put your competitor in, which was that Pacific Curbing Inc., and they have a little bit better score, but not by much. They have a 20 and a 1.3, but they have 34 referring domains, which is websites, giving them a total of 108 backlinks. But just like those citations, we can click into their backlinks, see where they're getting their backlinks from and the sources. We can go and submit for your business. And like I said, backlinks aren't created equal, so you want relevant sources giving you backlinks. If Pizza Hut were to link to you guys, it's not going to transfer as much power as another concrete company or a home improvement website or something of the sort. But as you can see, he does have some good backlinks that we could go out and get for yours. And then I have access to a ton of very strong backlinks too that really will take your site to the top. And let's go back because I want to touch base on those keywords. So as you can see, PacificCurbingInc.com is ranking for 264 keywords. So let's just have a look. So this is why it's important to have that 1,500 words on your homepage, is so you can fit these important keywords. Now, this is going to show me exact keywords or phrases that people are typing into Google each and every month, how many times, which is the volume, and how hard it is to rank, which is the keyword difficulty. So this is a monthly figure, as you can see. So 70 times a month someone's typing Tampa curbing. That's somebody looking for Tampa curbing, and it's only a 3 KD. Now this goes up to 100, 100 being the hardest. So a 3 tells me that there's not very many websites or strong websites that are trying to rank for this keyword. So curbing Tampa, 30 people are looking for that. Landscape curbing Tampa, 30. Concrete curbing Tampa, 50 searches a month. Tampa concrete curbing, 50. Pacific curbing, that's people looking directly for them. Curbing companies, that's globally because there's no Tampa. But concrete garden edge and decorative curbing Tampa, 10 and 6. Bay Area decorative concrete, 40 and 0. So right there is over about 200 searches a month just for the Tampa curbing. And as you could see, look, this Pacific Curbing Inc., he's in first place and second place for a lot of them. He's getting 11 traffic to his website. That's 11 jobs, 10 jobs, 10 jobs. There's 30 jobs just out of 3 keywords by ranking up here on the first page and at the top. So right now, I'm not sure where you are at on those keywords, but we could go in there and look quick. We'll go to your keywords and let's see. So landscape curbing Tampa, yeah, you're in 11th position for a lot of these curbing. 11th position. Tampa curbing, 14th position. So if we were to go in, I suggest doing a website revamp, whole new face with 1,500 words a keyword, or 1,500 words on your homepage with a lot of these good keywords. We go and start adding some powerful backlinks to your website, and you'll start seeing a lot of change in your clientele. And of course, it takes time. You have to do it organically, but you guys do excellent work. I've never seen some forms like these that you guys do, and I've built some very nice curbing websites. Here's a Berman's website that I just did, which was for an automotive company in Pennsylvania. So as you can see, a lot of car collision repair. These are all keywords that we go throughout. Videos, up to date, a lot of up to date stuff. Click the call buttons, but a lot of content, which is what Google loves to see for your ranking purposes. Here's a little snippet of a concrete curbing website that I did a while ago, but this was for Charleston area, flower bed curbing. Beautiful pictures, portfolio, linking to everything, site maps. So yeah, I would love to help you guys out. And let's touch base on a little bit of what we talked about. The first thing we talked about was your front page needs at least 1,500 words so we could fit those important keywords. So when someone's typing Tampa curbing, Google recognizes it in your content. And if your website is beautiful, has enough information, you're going to rank with a lot of strong backlinks to it. Second thing we talked about was citations, which is what ranks you in this Google Map Packs. You want to have at least 80 to 100 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. Plus, that gets your name out there in more directories. And the third thing we talked about was the link juice or backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call, 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I'd love to sit down and talk with you guys about this a little bit further in depth, and I'd love to help you guys out and get you guys ranking and get some more clients for you guys. You guys do excellent work, and like I said, reach out. Any and all feedback is great. Shoot me a text, give me a call. I'm here. Thanks for watching.